Kobe, who chewed this up, Kobe? Who chewed up my bank card, Kobe? You who did this? Who did this? Who did this, Kobe? Kobe, who chewed this up? Tell me. You've been a really bad boy. Who did it? Who did it? Bad boy. No, I want to know who did this. Who did this? And you think it's a game? Who did this? Gotta teach you how to do laundry so you can throw those clothes in the dryer. Yeah, you did it. Don't come here. You're not getting no good time. Don't come here. Who did this? You want to tell me who did it? Who did this? Now he's going to one of his saviors.